थोड़ा सा मालिश कर देते हैं।
अरे महाराज एक भाई
इसके बाद मेरे साथ जैसे
After sunset, you take the 3 round.
we just walk here.
Yeah, 3 round. Then after, take here. Open.
बुद्धाय नागता पच्चुपन्ना च बुद्धाय वन्दामि सर्वदा तस्मै शरणं बुद्धो मे शरणं वरं एतेन सद्गुरुतेन भूतमे नमो तस्मै पाहुनेयो दक्षिणेयो मंजल कलियो
His death is called Great Death because the date which Buddha announced in Vaisali, the same date he passed away. So Buddha days, there was a Sala Vana. Sala means Sala tree. Sala grove was there. So here was full of Sala tree was there. So he lay down between two Sala tree on full moon. On full moon, under the Sala tree he was born. On full moon, under the Bodhi tree he got enlightenment. On full moon, under the tree he preached his first sermon, and in same full moon under the Sala tree he passed away.
Is there a Sala tree around here?
Yeah, you see, this is the Sala tree here, and this is the Sala tree. So that moon, all the happen in the same moon. So that we call Buddha Purnima, Buddha full moon day. That is national holiday in India, and we people celebrate Visakha day. Yeah.
Also full moon.
Yeah. So this is the actual spot where he attained Mahaparinibbana. It was made by King Mallas 2600 years ago. And then one part of the relics were taken by King Malla. You see this stupa here. It was made by Malla. So this is the first relics stupa. 8 places are there. Among 8 places, this is the first one. But this stupa was made bricks, look like this. But it was going to destroyed by nature, by sunlight. So this concrete building was set up during the time of Jawaharlal Nehru in 1956. In the temple which we went inside, the temple was done during the first Prime Minister of India in 1956. But inside the temple statue we have seen, that is 1600 years old. So that is called Mahaparinirvana temple. This is called Dhatu Astupa, and this is called Mahaparinirvana Astupa.
What is this one called?
Then is a small stupa made by devotees.
tiền nào ạ?
Two traders from Myanmar, Tapashu and Bhallik, they got some hair relics of Lord Buddha. And hair relics he kept into the casket, and on the casket he set up one huge stupa, which is called Swedagon Pagoda, Swedagon Stupa. That is in Yangon, capital of Myanmar. So you see this stupa there. So this is like indication of the real stupa. So in the Burma, in the Yangon have a stupa in this shape. और घंटे जी ठीक है ना first day so he has one school there okay. So just he is saying if you have 5 minutes time you can see if more time you to
We just confirm. Anyone who would like to make donation to the temple, this monk is a caretaker, he's under there, and there also have
This is called Mata Kuvar temple. So before Buddha go to Mahaparinirbana, from this place to there, he was here and he said to Ananda, Ananda, can you give me a bowl of water? I need some water, I feeling thirsty. Ananda said okay. So Ananda took the bowl and he went to the river. I indicate you the river near the Ramabhara Stupa. Yesterday we went there. River is there, which is about half kilometer away from here. So Ananda went there with bowl. But before 5 minutes, we reached to Ananda, 500 bull cart. Understand bull cart? Bull cart, horse cart. So bull cart crossed from that river 5 minutes before. And those very days, water level was about 1 meter. So water was not enough. So water was very, very muddy. How muddy he saw first time in his life. So he didn't bring any water, he came without water. And he explained about that. Then Buddha said, no, go and see again. When he went again, same. So Buddha said, okay, you go and try one more time again. So when he went the third time, water was very much clean. How clean he saw first time in his life, that clean of water. Then from there, he took the water in the bowl and he came to this place, he gave to Buddha. Buddha drank the water, and from this place he moved to the temple, the place where he attained Mahaparinirbana. So this is called Mata Kuvar temple. M-A-T-A, Mata Kuvar, K-U-W-A-R, Kuvar temple. Please come here. You see, inside one statue is there. It was constructed between 9 to 1000 AD. 9 to 1000 AD means about 1000 years ago. This is made of black stone, golden color paint is there. This is statue, Bhumi Sparsha Mudra, touching the earth. He got enlightenment in this pose, touching the earth. So if you see, When we go, another name, when we go another, so many ghats, as I told you before. And total length of this river is 3,900 kilometers. This is started from Himalaya, the place is called Gangotri, and goes to the Bay of West Bengal.
你在这里就别放了。OK， 你放。
And there is no crematorium, no dialectic system is there. Only by the manual. They brought the dead body, they put under the wood, and then they make the fire. That the wood cost is normally about 3,000 rupees. Normal wood. If people want to get like similar to the sandalwood, that cost more than 25,000 rupees, about $500. You see this stupa, it was one of the biggest stupa in this premises. That's why this stupa is known as Dhammarajika stupa. It is true, first sermon Buddha was given at that place. Can we see the stupa there? It is called Dhammika stupa. The place where Buddha gave his first sermon. The big one, sir. And height of this stupa is 103 feet, about 33 meters. And that actual spot where he gave the first teaching. But later on, King Ashoka made this stupa biggest than that, which was destroyed by the Muslims. And this is a smaller stupa made by devotees. Many devotees comes here. They made the devotees here. And as I told you, the Ashokan pillar. Can you come this side? Please come. No problem.
Arahang Samma Sambuddho Vichacharana